Good day everyone. Before I start this lesson, let me first introduce myself to all of you. Hi, I'm George Gonzalez, second year college, taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education in Laguna State Polytechnic University in Lopez Satellite Campus. This subject is Science, Technology, and Society. Our topic for today is focusing on gene therapy. I will be discussing about what is gene therapy and who is the father of genetics and what is DNA. But before we proceed to our discussion for today, I will prepare a simple motivation or energizer to all of us. So this game is called IQ test. All you have to do is to be honest. The rules of the game: memorize the pictures and numbers
这一次
that I
我
present.
真的睡着了。
What is the number of this picture? Very good. What is the number of this picture? Very good. What is the number of this picture? Very good. What is the number of this picture? Very good. What is the number of this picture? Very good.
Learning outcomes. After studying this course, you should be able to understand some of the types of disease that might be treatable by gene therapy.
What is gene therapy? Gene therapy is an approach of treating diseases by either modifying the expression of an individual's genes or a correcting of abnormal genes. Gene therapy is an experimental technique for correcting defective genes that are responsible for disease development. The most common form of gene therapy is involved in inserting a normal gene to replace an abnormal gene. Father of genetics. Gregor Mendel was Austrian who discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in his garden. Mendel's observation became the foundation of modern genetics and the study of heredity, and he is widely considered a pioneer in the field of genetics. Gregor Mendel, he discovered the basic principle of heredity through experiment in his garden. And of course, Gregor Mendel was an Austrian scientist, teacher, and Augustinian prelate who lived in the 1800s. He experimented on the garden beehives while living at the monastery and is known as the father of modern genetics. What is DNA? According to genetics.reference.gov, or deoxyribonucleic acid is the hereditary material in humans and almost all the organisms. The meaning of the DNA: the molecule inside the cells that contains the genetic information responsible for the development and function of an organism. DNA molecules allow this information to be passed from one generation to the next. And the DNA is one chemical name of molecule that carries genetics instructions to all of living in the world. And the molecules of DNA is composed of two strands that wind around one another to form a shape known as a double helix. And nearly every cell in the person's body has the same. and most located in the cell's nucleus, where it is called nuclear DNA. But a small amount of DNA can be also found in mitochondria, where it is called mitochondria or empty DNA. As you can see on this picture of example of DNA, it is a pair or partner, like in this picture, adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. Gene therapy, also known as gene editing, the deliberate alteration of a selected DNA sequence. It's used to remove defective genes and replaces them with a corrected copy. Gene therapy, also known as gene editing, because it removes the defective genes in our body and replaces them with the correct genes. As you can see on the picture in the screen, the left images and the red and the broken line, imagine which is the genetic material you want to remove. Like the left is varying length of insertion and deletion, leading premature stop codons. And the center, specific gene correction or single base pair change. And the right side of the picture, HDR results in target gene insertion.
Evaluation. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. 1. Gregor Mendel, or an Austrian mind, discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in his garden. 2. Gene therapy, an approach of treating diseases by either modifying the expressions of an individual's genes or correction of abnormal genes. 3. Gene therapy, it used to remove undefective genes and replaces them with a corrected copy. 4. The meaning of acronym DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. 5. Small amount of DNA can be also found in the mitochondria, where it is called mitochondrial DNA or MT. Answer: 1. False. 2. True. 3. False. 4. True. 5. True.